Hey everybody, happy February 1st. I apologize to you. I have been a little bit off. I told you guys earlier this week I've been super swamped with science fair stuff, so I am in focus and working on some things. I have graded your quizzes and corrected a few things, so I will be continuing to grade throughout the week. Hopefully you should have everything updated by the end of the week. Two things I really want to discuss with you guys. The first is the virtual chat session. I've not received any photographs of the chat session, so please get those to me so that I can make sure to give you credit for that. But more importantly, let's take a look here. I want to walk you through a few things. I know we're still trying to sort of get to know each other and get to know a few things, but I do want to chat with you a little bit about looking ahead and making sure that you're getting some things done when you're supposed to get them done. So I'm going to go in here into the knowledge check as an example. For the knowledge check and the right to die, here's where it said you had to do the virtual chat session, and here are the people that you're supposed to meet with. If you do not meet with those people, you're putting them behind as well, not just yourselves, but you're letting the group members down. So if your group member has not participated by the due date, you send in what you have with your other team member if that's the case. But in the future, you all need to know that you need to be actively participating with your classmates on this. The next one, which worries me even more so than that, is this final end of the unit case study that you have. This is a 40-point assignment. So this is your sort of big end of the unit assignment. In here, Part 2 tells you that you have to complete your doodle poll by January 31st, which was yesterday. As of to this morning, only 3 of you have actually completed that part of the assignment. So what concerns me is that a lot of you are waiting to the last minute to jump onto the assignment, waiting to look for the due date and doing it on the due date. But there are things that have to get done prior to in order for the assignment to continue. This component, this collaboration component, is worth 5 points of the 40-point assignment. I'm going to make an allotment this one time, since it's Unit 1 and we're learning. And the allotment will be this. I will allow you to collaborate with the same virtual chat group that you have in the previous assignment as a virtual chat to accompany this assignment. So that way everyone can continue to work and not have to worry about meeting up face to face. So I'm going to make that allotment this one time. But in the future, you need to check all of your assignments from start to finish when the unit opens up so that you don't miss these small little due dates that are stuck inside of here. So January 31st, which was yesterday, and most of you haven't completed that part. I'm going to be flexible with this one round because it's our first time going through this. But in the future, you do need to make sure that you jump on there and do that. And so you have the rest of your parts of the assignment listed here for you. Now, the next thing I want to look at is the second part, or the first part of Module 2 or Unit 2 should be available to you. So when you scroll down, you're going to see here's Unit 1. At the end of Unit 1, you have the exit survey, which is due in a couple of days. But now Unit 2, Competency and Mental Illness, is available to you. And I'm sorry, I have to fix the dates. The dates are incorrect there. I'll fix those for you. But if you take a look, here's your first plunge in assignment, which will be due. And here are the Unit 2 objectives in the timeline, so please come through here and take a look. So this unit will be done on February 18th, and here are all your due dates and how they come across, so everything is updated there for you. I'm sorry it's written wrong on the other thing. I'll fix that. And then here's your first set of lectures for this particular unit. So I want you to get in there and start working on it, or at least start looking at it, and I will slowly be opening up other components of it as we progress. So make sure that you take some time to get in there and notice that Unit 2 is starting to open up for you. Again, please make sure that you're checking everything all the way through at the beginning of a unit, because again, those little dates, they don't pop up for you because it's not the due date of the assignment. So you have to kind of keep up with those. So if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. You can send me a Skype chat, you can send me an email, whichever way makes you more comfortable, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I know a lot of you sent me some emails. I've been trying to respond to all those emails, so let me know if you haven't heard from me. You should have gotten some response. In the meantime, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.